In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Google Lens in Chrome desktop. It's a full guide, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's actually very easy to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on any desktop you have, whether you're on like a PC or laptop. So all you want to do is go ahead and open up Google Chrome, and then what you're going to see is like the microphone icon, AI mode, but you're also going to see search by image, and it says search any image with Google Lens. So it says drag an image here or upload a file. So what I'm just going to go ahead and do is I'm just going to randomly drag and drop an image. I'm just going to do this one right here. It says drop an image anywhere. Go ahead and upload it. And as you can see, it doesn't actually find any matches, but it shows me exactly what it is. I can also look for exact matches, visual matches, or anything like that. So it shows me our visual matches right here. And yeah, it's literally as simple as that. There is nothing else to it. And you can do that with literally any images you have, but that's how you use Google Lens on your desktop on Chrome. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe and check out our other tutorials as well.